Watch the Robomaid RM770 automatically adjust between flooring surfaces as it climbs onto rugs and over bumps. Its 28 sensors include wall and furniture detectors, as well as a shock-absorbing bumper. The Robomaid will automatically navigate around your floors at the push of a button or scheduled by a timer. The powered helical spinning brush moves through carpet fibres, lifting hair, dirt and debris, while flicking up dust from deep in the carpet. The vacuum suction unit pulls the dust, dirt and hair into the dustbin for effortless, efficient and automatic floor cleaning as often as you like.